Hey, what's up guys? This is going to be the first diet-related video on the Metaphysique channel. Today is March 25th and that marks the day before I officially start my 2018 summer cut. So what I'm going to be logging for you here on this video is my first 12 days of the cut. As you probably know, the first 2 weeks you're not really going to lose that much actual fat. What you do lose is a lot of water weight when you drop sodium and carbs. So what I'm going to be doing is keeping my carbs at around 150 grams a day, and I'm going to make sure that my sodium every day is below 2,000 milligrams. Fats and proteins I'm going to probably keep about the same, and I'm going to be showing you before and after. Not getting too deep into it with all the micronutrients and exact macronutrient ratios, but those three parameters: carbs 150 grams, sodium below 2,000 milligrams a day, and then I'm also going to be making sure to drink at least a gallon of water today, because when you drink more water you actually hold less water. So here I'm just going to be logging the, before. So I'm just going to take this off, and I'm not wearing a shirt into this or anything. And so I finished my last cut last summer, around September 2017. So pretty much since then I've been clean bulking. As you can see, I'm not fat, but I definitely would consider myself fatter in relation to how I am during my summer cut. So just gonna get some obliques there. You can see a little bit of those gills coming in, but not too much. I did just get a little bit of a light shoulder and arm workout in, so I'm a little pumped, but it's been about 20 minutes since then, so it's starting to go away. I'll make sure to keep everything consistent, so in 12 days when I come back here, I'm going to be obviously in the same place. I'm also going to get a little bit of an arm and shoulder pump beforehand. Everything should be the same, so no other confounding variables are going into this. It is Easter next week, so I might have a refeed day on Easter Sunday. I'll still probably try to keep the sodium intact. So yeah guys, this is my before, and I will be seeing you in 12 days for the after. Hopefully we get some good results. Hey, what's up guys? We are back. It has been exactly 12 days since I did that last shoot. It is April 6th, so I believe it is the 12th day. I'm keeping very strict with my diet. Like I said in the last part, 150 grams of carbs a day, less than 2,000 milligrams of sodium, and a gallon of water a day. Help shed that water weight and start losing some fat. I think my only cheat, real cheat, was for Thanksgiving, like I said too. I think I broke everything. I didn't hold tight in my sodium carbs. It's impossible, it's Thanksgiving. So anyways, this is my after, so I'll just take this off. Got a light shoulder and arm pump, like I said. And I think right off the bat, first thing I started noticing is that I got a little more vascular. So especially in my forearms, you can see a little more definition there, and just my bicep veins. And that's kind of all the time. Even when I'm not working out, I just notice I'm generally a little more vascular, and that's primarily because of the subcutaneous water. And the fat there has kind of been diminished from the diet that I've started. I think you can definitely see a little more outline of my abs, side abs too. Not too much there. That takes a little more while to come, but I think there's definitely a little more definition there. As we go to my back, see myself obviously, but I can almost guarantee it's going to look a little more shredded. I think my waistline has gone down a little bit as well. I weighed myself this morning. I came in at 192, so I have dropped a little bit of weight. Not too much, like I said, it's mostly water weight, but that's exactly pretty much where I thought I'd get to, where I wanted to get to for this cut. And from here on out, I'm going to be pretty much staying lean the whole summer. Obviously keep on going down from where I am now. I'm going to be implementing a carb cycle, but I will save the specifics on that for the next video. But yeah guys, go ahead and try this diet out. Like I said, it's pretty simple, not too difficult to do, and you'll start seeing results immediately within the first couple weeks. If you like the video, go ahead and leave a like. Subscribe for more. Going to be releasing videos every 2 weeks. More diet videos, training stuff on the way. So if you thought this was interesting and learned a lot, definitely be ready for more. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will be seeing you next time for the next video. We'll talk about my carb cycle. Peace.